So the question about snoring in children. So keep in mind that children do snore, and of course they snore all the time when they have a cold because they're congested in the upper airway. When snoring is a problem, you will also see disturbed sleep, tired children, maybe even hyperactive children. And the biggest thing you need to know if your child does snore is if they also sweat and they're restless in their sleep on a nightly basis and the sheets are a mess in the morning, then you actually want to take them to the doctor because they might have sleep apnea. I hope this post was helpful, and if it was, let us know. Like the post, and if you have questions, certainly put them in the comments and we'll get back to you.